Hello everybody, it's 1HC and welcome back to another video. And a lot of you guys have been requesting a tutorial on how to make my 1-hour videos because I've made a lot of them. People just want to see, how to make them. So in this video, I will be showing you an easy and simple way to make a 1-hour video. So let's get into it. First, you have to go to this site. I will link this in the description and it will be the top comment. And right here, you want to click Windows Installer 64-bit, or if you have a 32-bit system, you want to click this. And if you're not sure if you have a 32-bit or a 64-bit system, you need to hold the Windows key on your keyboard and press pause. So Windows key and pause, and that will bring up this About page. Right here where it says system type, it will say 64-bit or 32-bit. So I have a 64-bit, so I want to go right here and download the Windows Installer 64-bit. Once you click that, this window is going to pop up and you're just going to click save. And it should pop up right up here with the setup. If you are using Chrome, like most of you are, there should be a download at the bottom over here somewhere. So you just want to double click that, and you do want to give it administrator privileges. And then with the setup, you just want to click next, 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 and it will start extracting it. Then you just want to click next again and finish to close setup. So now if you go down to your search and you just type in MKV tool Nix GUI, it will pop up right there. And once that opens, it should show you something like this. So then what you want to do is you want to take the file that you want to loop for 1 hour, and you just want to double click it to open it. So just for an example, I am going to make this Minecraft music disc for 1 hour. So what you want to see here is the length of the video, and it says around 2 minutes, so just keep the number 2 in your head. And this looks kind of complicated, but it's easy. So all you have to do is drag this in here, and it's gonna pop up right here. It'll tell you the file size, everything about it. So then you're gonna just want to drag it in again, and it's gonna pop up this window. You want to click append to existing source file. Just click that. So now this is around 4 minutes. So then you just want to drag it in again. Append to existing source file. Now this is around 6 minutes. So you just want to keep doing this until you get around 8 minutes. So my video was around 2 minutes. So I put it in 4 times, and now if you add these up, it should be around 8 minutes. So you just want to click start multiplexing, and then it's going to pop up another file on your desktop right here. Like I said, it would be around 8 minutes, and it's about 9 minutes. So now what you want to do is you want to click this little X button, new, and you just want to drag that in once. So that's 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 50 minutes, 60 minutes. And if you were wondering why I was putting it in so fast, it's because when I put it in, I just immediately time it and I click enter, which is a really fast way to do it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that should be around 60 minutes, but because the original video was a little bit under 10 minutes, it's not going to be exactly 60 minutes. So you just want to drag in the original clip, which is around 2 minutes for me, and you just want to drag it in one more time. So then just click start multiplexing, and then you will get the last file right here. So if you open this, as you can see, it is 1 hour and 30 minutes long, and it is all looped. This will work for any length of video, any video, it doesn't really matter. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this really simple tutorial. Hope this helped you out in some way. And yeah, click the like button and subscribe. Goodbye.